It's been said that home is where your heart is. Here at Stanley Painting Services, a family company, we understand what you and we will give your house the look that you've always dreamed of and make it a place that gives you joy and good vibes. Call us for a free estimate today and visit our website to discover more about us. We are located at Limbe and our service is all over Cameroon. Contact us with the numbers showing on your screen. We thank Wana Plenty, my Mboko people.
The key to all AI prompts. How to create realistic AI videos in Google Veo3 for free. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Under the Cocoa. Let's get started.
I know you have been having difficulties, like how do you get started? How do I start? How can I get a prompt? I don't know how to make a prompt. I don't know how to start a prompt. I don't know how to make a script. It's very easy. So any kind of prompt you need, you just need to go to ChatGPT. It's going to generate you any kind of prompt that you are going to need. So let's go. I will need every one of you to open it. From there now, I'm going to give you guys a good prompt, how to set up a good prompt. I want you guys to face some difficulties. You think you cannot do it. Today I'm going to make it easy for you. You are going to start to have how to create a very good script. Anyway, any platform, any AI platform that you think you want to do it, that you are thinking you want to start up. Is it Gemini AI that you want to start up? Any kind of Gemini, any kind of AI that you want to start up, or you want to make any script, or you want to make any prompt. I'm going to show you how you can do it. It's very simple and easy. The only thing you need to do is just to come up with your idea. Just bring your idea that you think you can use. You see which kind of idea you want to create. An advertisement video, you want to create an interview video, you want to create a sport video, you want to create a broadcast. What kind of video do you want to create? What is your idea that you have in you that you think you can use it for your AI project? Let's start our prompt. Okay, for example, this is my prompt that I have here. I'm just going to go on and post and paste it. This is my prompt. I've just gone on and then I've pasted it here. I've pasted it. Then from there, let me show you guys what my prompt is talking about, the idea that I have. Okay, this is my prompt. I just tell the AI that help me write a details prompt about a Stanley Painting Services located in Limbe, Cameroon. This is what I just bring my idea, everything that I just brought. Let's go down and go. So now I posted now in ChatGPT. Look at what he has done. He has helped us create a new prompt. He has helped us to generate a good prompt, a better prompt for AI, for Google Veo3. Okay guys, so don't forget this. If you are creating any AI video, you are giving a ChatGPT any prompt for, you need to specify the kind of AI you are using. So if you come down here, I tell this ChatGPT that please, I'm generating this prompt, this video to Google Veo3. You understand? So you know how to put the prompt, you know how to specify the prompt that I'm going to use. Very good. So let's continue. Okay, now this is the new prompt that he has helped us, the AI has helped us to generate, so we can use. So I'm just going to play what I'm trying to do is that I want to clear a doubt. I want you, don't be in a certain situation that you freeze up your mind, your brain, that you cannot do this. You can start up a YouTube channel today. Follow what I'm trying to show you step by step. You are going to start up a YouTube channel today. So now, after I just bring up my idea, I want to start this is my idea. Okay, let me read my idea, my prompt that I gave it to AI. ChatGPT AI for it to generate a good prompt for me that I'm going to use in Google Veo3. So this is it. I want an advertisement I want an advertisement video of Stanley Painting Service, Limbe in Cameroon. The name, I want the caption and everything. I want the name to be on the lady that is going to be talking in the video that I just watched. That is what I just give the information here to the ChatGPT. Give me a good prompt that I can use to Google Veo V03. Okay, guys, let's go. And don't forget, you need to specify the kind of AI you are using. You can see here I also specify the kind of AI. I say it can only generate 8 seconds of videos. So this is our prompt. You can see prompt for V03. So let's go, guys. Let me play what ChatGPT have generated for us.
Here is a detailed prompt scene tailored for Google Veo3, keeping your 8-second limit in mind while capturing the essence of Stanley Painting Services in Limbe, Cameroon. Prompt for Veo3. A wide shot of a beautiful young Cameroonian lady in her early 20s. She's standing outdoors in Limbe, Cameroon, wearing a white shirt with the bold caption, Big Stanley Painting Services, and a black skirt. She's smiling warmly at the camera. She gestures toward a large, colorful signboard that reads, Stanley Painting Services, Limbe, Cameroon. In the background, a few cheerful workers in similar uniforms also hold smaller signboards and painting tools. The camera gently pans to include the group behind her. She says, voiceover or synced speech, keep pace slow and clear. It's been said that home is where your heart is. Here at Stanley Painting Services, a family company, we understand what your home means to you. We'll give it the look you've always dreamed of. Tone, positive, warm, and family-friendly. Lighting, warm natural sunlight or soft studio glow. Audio, gentle background sounds of brushes, rollers, and faint laughter or chatter. Let me know if you'd like a version with text on screen or want it translated to French or Pidgin English for local flavor.
At the background, if you want people to be at the background, you just come here, just generate everything. AI will just give you everything you need. You don't need to stress yourself, be thinking, to be saying, how am I going to make the people to be looking at the background? How am I going to do this? How am I going to come up with this? No, stop that. Stop giving yourself problems. You have the solution here. It's very easy to create any kind of problem if you just have the idea. You just be specified, and the AI will just give you what you need. If you want to generate it in Gemini, see, this is Gemini. I'm generating this. This is for Gemini. This prompt is for Gemini. If you want to generate it for any other platform, AI platform, do it. Just come here and just specify, and the AI is going to make sure give you what you want. I'm doing this video for you guys for free. The next video I'll be bringing how you can generate AI video for free in Google Veo3 for free, unlimited. You can use it for a year without even subscribing, without anything. Don't tell anybody I say so. This one is just for you guys. It's just tips that I'll be giving for you guys. Okay, guys, let's head forward so you guys will understand what I'm talking about. So now, what you guys are going to do now, after you have your form that you've given ChatGPT have generated it for you guys, what you are just going to do, simple, just go on and copy the prompt. After you go on, you copy the prompt, start from the view from the prompt, you take, you copy down, copy the prompt down. After you finish copying the prompt, so after you finish copying your prompt, you will head up to your Chrome. So guys, let's go to my Chrome. This is my Chrome. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to search for Google Veo3. You see, I have it here. That is it. So now I'm going to click in this one. Don't click into the first one. Click here. So you're right in flow. You're going to see create with flow. You click create with flow. It's going to take a little bit to open. Okay, now it has happened. For those of you that are just using this flow for your first time, you can see I have a little bit. I have some projects here that have used. So if you are using this for your first time, it's going to open. Then it's going to show you subscribe. You can use this. You can subscribe for it for free for 1 month. You understand? Then the next month you can also start paying. Then the first month is for free. Okay, now what we are going to do now is that we are going to click new project. So after we have taken new project, don't stress yourself like how you're going to start, like how you're going to do. I'm just going to teach you some 1 or 2 settings, how you're going to set your flow, your VO3 so you can have a good quality view for your YouTube channel. You understand? So what you're going to do, you're going to do some settings. You come to this setting where you see text to video. You take text to video. This is the best one you used for your YouTube or channel if you want to generate quality videos. Text to video. Then you come here where you see this volume button, you see VO3 fast. You click there, you click to the settings, you click on the VO3 fast. You see the first one that I've clicked is going to make the audio come. This one no audio, but this VO2 fast is going to come without audio, and it's going to take lesser credit. When I say lesser credit, like for example, if you this VO3 fast is taking you 20 credit, this one is going to take you 10 credit. Then this one is for the pro version, that is going to take you 30 view. That is going to take you 30 credit. Then this one you see no audio is people that do voice over. Maybe you have what you want to do, you want to make a voice over, you just take this VO2 quick. That's going to make you're going to use, and there's not going to be any voice. You're going to put your voice over. So after select all this here, what you just do is that you just go on and paste your prompt. Very easy, don't worry, just paste your prompt. You're going to see the result and the magic. So what you're going to do is going to highlight, and then you see paste, then you paste your prompt. You can go here and scroll or check the prompt if it's the right prompt that you have pasted. If there's no mistake, you can go on and just click to this arrow that's showing go to your right hand, that is showing you there. Just click there. Very easy and simple. What you're gonna do is just click. After you click, you will see it will be generating a video for you. It's gonna take a while for it to generate, but you're just gonna have patience for it to generate. So for me now, you're going to see the magic what I'm telling you about. Very simple and easy for you guys to create any prompt video that you want to create. You may be having difficulties that how am I going to start, how should I start, what am I going to have. Just bring up a little bit, just bring up a little bit idea that you have. Okay guys, as you can see, it has finished generate. Very simple as this. So let's play our video.
It's been said that home is where your heart is. Here at Stanley Painting Services, a family company, we understand what you're...
Okay guys, that is it. Look at how it is good now. That is very simple and sweet, very simple and classic. This is what I'm telling you guys about. This is the key of AI. This is the key that you need. I've given you the key that you can use it to start generating any prompt that you think you can start with. You understand? So for me now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click to this arrow button here that is showing it's like setting button. Now you come to this prompt now and just come where you see she said, you see she said, she says, okay, she says, look at this here to edit. You can like delete everything. Very easy, delete everything to the end. So just delete it. Then you start to write what you want the lady again should talk in the advertisement video. Anything you want the lady should talk in the advertisement video. Leave everything, leave the description in this prompt. Everything that you need is there. Just what you want the lady to say. You want the lady to talk about how the painting is like the one you see in the video. I don't know about this your advertisement video you want to make. Is it for a salon? Is it for a what? Is it whatever they want to do? Just come here and do the same. After you see this caption or she said, then just put what you want the lady to say again. Come to our service. Our service is one of the best. We give you this, we give you that. Very simple. So very simple. After you finish writing what you want the lady to say again, you just go ahead and click the enter button. It's going to generate that different video for you. Very easy. If you have watched this video and you like what you've seen and you like what I've teach you guys, please hit up the subscribe button and like and share this video to 1 or 2 people so they can see and learn and have more better future of their YouTube channel, to grow up their YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much.